How much money do you need to start investing in share market? We are going to answer this question in this video. Hi guys, this is Kritesh and welcome to TradeMan's YouTube channel. Now when a newbie enters the stock market, the biggest question in his mind is how much money do I need? What is the minimum money that I need to start investing? Now the simple answer to this question is that even if you have rupees 1000 or 2000, it is good enough money to start investing in stocks. There are a lot of stocks whose share price is between rupees 100 to 500 and you can buy even just one share of those companies. For example, the stock of Bank of India is trading at around rupees 60 to 70, and if you want you can buy even just one share of Bank of India. So here you can start investing in Bank of India shares with only rupees 60. So in short, you do not need a lot of money to start investing in stock market. There's a common myth among the people that share market is only for the rich guys or bankers or high salaried employees, but this is not true. I started investing at a very young age when I was still a college student, and anyone who has even very small saving can start investing or trading in the stock market. Anyways, there are a few requirements before you start investing in stocks. For example, you will require a demat and trading account, and there is an opening charge for opening those accounts. For example, if you open your account with Zerodha, you will require rupees 200 as account opening charge. Now Zerodha is the biggest stock broker in India. Anyways, there are also other brokers who offers free demat account, that is you can open account with those brokers without paying any charges. Anyways, the account opening charges for most of the brokers in India can range somewhere between rupees 300 to 500. That is, you need to pay a one-time amount of 300 or 500 to open a demat account with the leading stock brokers in India. I will add the link of few of the leading stock brokers in the description so that you can click and open your account directly by visiting their website. In addition to the account opening charges, you also need to pay annual maintenance charge. Now these stock brokers are giving you a facility to trade or invest in the stocks by sitting in your room and enjoying on the comfort of your sofa. So they may charge a little for giving you that facility. So in short, if you are storing some stocks in your demat account, you have to give an annual maintenance charge, and again this annual maintenance charge can range somewhere between rupees 200 to rupees 500. So every year you have to pay a fixed amount between rupees 200 to 500 as an annual maintenance charge or AMC to the stock broker. Now along with these, if you open your account with the discount brokers like Zerodha, Angel Broking, Upstock, 5paisa, the brokerage charges for these stocks for long-term investment is zero. That is, they do not charge you any amount or any brokerage for investing in long term. However, there are some mandatory charges that you have to pay, for example GST or exchange charges or SEBI charges, which is very minimal amount. So if you are investing rupees 100, hardly it will come to rupees 0.5 or 1 for all these charges. So if you summarize, you will need a small amount to start investing, to open your demat and trading account, and further also to maintain your demat and trading account. However, to buy in stocks there is no limitation. You can buy even just one stock, and that stock may be between rupees 0 to 500 or 1000, whichever you prefer. Another key point to mention here is that a few stocks trade at a very high share price. For example, the one share of Maruti costs around rupees 6600. So if you want to start investing just with rupees 1000 or 2000, you won't be able to buy even just one stock of Maruti. Similarly, one stock of Nestle is around rupees 17,000. So this might also be out of your budget. However, more than 95% of the shares in the Indian share market trade at a price less than rupees 1000, and for those stocks you can easily buy even if you start with a minimum amount of rupees 1000 or 2000. Now another question that may come in your mind is, if you start investing with such a low amount, how much money you can make? When you are a beginner, you should focus more on learning the process of how to make money from stocks, not exactly to make money. And once you get more confidence, more experience, you can increase your investment amount. So let's say today you can start with rupees 1000 and 2000, and once you are confident, once you know more about stocks, more about the stock market, you can gradually increase your investment amount. You can increase from 2000 to 5000, 10,000, even 1 lakh per month. But this should be done with time and experience. because if you invest a lot of money initially without having good knowledge, there are also chances that you may lose the money and which not be very good for you. So start small, 1000 or 2000 is good enough, and gradually increase the amount as you get more confident. Anyways, to again answer your question, even a small amount invested for a long time can give you a very good return. You might also know about the rule of 15 cross 15 cross 15. It says that if you invest rupees 15,000 per month and you get a return of 15% annually, in 15 years you will be able to make a total corpus of 1 crore. So even a small amount with a good return for a very long term can give you very high return, and help you make a very high corpus. So do not worry much about your initial investment amount. Take time to understand the process, understand about stock investment, how to pick stocks, and how exactly to make money from the stock market. So let me quickly summarize what we discussed in this video. You do not need a very large amount to start investing in stock market. Any amount between rupees 1000 to 2000 is decent enough to start. In addition, you may also need to pay some additional charges as account maintenance charges for the demat and trading account, and also few other charges for as GST or transaction charges when you are buying or selling stocks. So that's all for this video. If you are new to investing, do comment below your doubts and I'll be happy to help you out in the comment section. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. This is Kritesh signing off.